coming down to your partner. If you have a tāne, if you don't have a partner, or if you're divorced, don't have to mention it. It's up to you whether you want to mention your partner or your spouse. Kei a koe te tikanga, the choice is yours. So let's say your wife's name is Tina, you'd say ko Tina taku wahine. If your husband's name is Mark, ko Mark taku tāne. So that's how you would say it in Māori. So taku tāne, taku wahine, husband and wife. Now, child and children. Do any of you have children out there? Well, do you want to include them in your whakapapa? Of course you do. So if you have one child, you just say, let's say your child's name is Gemma. Ko Gemma taku tamahine. Gemma is my daughter. Ko Harry taku tamaiti. Harry is my son. You can also use the word mātāmua. For example, ke Harry te mātāmua. Ko Sally te pōtiki. Harry is the firstborn, Sally is the lastborn. If you have two kids, you would use the word tamariki. Here's the template right here. Let's say Gemma and Harry are my children. Ko Gemma rawa ko Harry aku tamariki. Kapa? Let's have a look. If you have three children, let's say you've got three kids and they're called Jack, Jill, Jenny, and Johnny. I'm just making this up. You would say, ko Jack, rātou ko Jill, ko Jenny, ko Johnny, ko Elvis, ko Elton John, aku tamariki. Okay, so you insert ko before every name. And after that, you just finish with the conclusion. And because you started with a good introduction, you've got to finish with a good conclusion. And this is how it goes. Nō reira, ka ti kone taku kōrero, ka nui ngā mihi kia koutou, kia ora tātou katoa. So you just finish it off like that. So there's a translation. Ka rawene, awesome.